All right, everyone, Nick's not here, but today's episode is on mangoes. The soda water, not the fruit. They can hear you. You're still mic'd up. This is our last video that we're going to be filming tonight because this is our fifth one. This is our fifth video one night. It's crazy.
Because we're at the point of hydration now where I don't think I can survive one full video without having to go pee.
We normally do like 3 in a night. Like
this is
4
6?
is a lot. This is 5. Oh no, this is 6. Oh my God, I'm on 6.
This is 6, bud.
Oh my Lord. Well, this is mangoes. Starting over here with the pure mango flavors of LaCroix.
That's green for some reason.
Green LaCroix. I mean, mangoes, they're green before they turn ripe.
That's fair. Do you know what they're definitely not? Purple.
Yeah, but that's blackberry.
Blackberry
mango.
Gotcha. Oh. Yeah?
It's bad boy. Do you like mangoes?
Yes.
Bad boy smells like mangoes.
Bad boy smells like a mango.
It's delightful.
It's good. It's good stuff.
I think this might be the best flavor of LaCroix. This is a firm. I'm going to start it up over here. Who knows, though? I'm probably going to love all of these.
Yeah, we both like mango.
As a huge mango guy, I'm probably going to like all of these. But that's pure
because I felt like it wasn't
straight mango
super
flavor.
mango-y.
No, it's not like a strong mango flavor, but it tastes like a mango.
Right. It's accurate.
Which, to be fair, mangoes aren't that strong of a mango flavor a lot of times. You know what I'm saying? Mangoes are kind of chill.
I guess.
You gotta say what it is, or you're just gonna open it and pour it.
It's fucking mango. It's bubbly. Mango bubbly. The top says happy. Oh, wait, no, it doesn't. It says, hey.
Hey.
And it says love at first.
Also, it's a smiley face with a little tongue sticking out.
I'm surprised it wasn't like a mango or some shit, because don't they usually do fruit as the tongue?
No.
They did a blueberry as the...
Yeah, it's like the only one. There's watermelon teeth on the other one too, I guess. That is a dramatically different mango experience. That tastes less like a mango.
It's stronger.
It almost tastes pineapple-y.
It's stronger, but less mango.
It's a strong flavor, but it tastes kind of mango pineapple.
I'll put it here.
It's definitely worse. Yeah. Well, this is an interesting thing. You've never seen this before. You, at home, you've never seen this before. I promise. No, I'm kidding. Maybe you have. There's a good chance that you haven't, though. It's pretty niche. So this is Sanzo. We haven't done a video on it. This is the first one that we're having of it. Ooh. Also had to go to a special store to get this because a 12-pack of these is $45 on Amazon. But at the store, they're $3 a can, and they were on sale for $2 a can.
Yeah, because $3 a can is such a good deal.
$2 a can. You will not be seeing any other ones of these for a long time.
This shit better blow my friggin' mind.
I did.
Look at how he's. I go to take it. He's like, no. This is.
Well, I have more to say.
Petting it.
So these are Asian-inspired soda water flavors. There's 5 of them. This is the only one that's going to be in a flavor video because all the other ones are some stranger flavors that are not.
What kind of Asia?
There's calamansi, uzu.
Somebody
Lychee.
says Asian expired, and they don't think about the fact that like Asia's fucking enormous.
Yeah, I think it's just like an Asian dude.
They mean like Asian includes India technically, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I don't think you mean India.
I think this guy was Filipino, if I remember. I'm not positive. This does say that they use a specific brand of mango in it that is considered the king of mangoes. Ooh. I don't know how you say that.
Alphonsus? Alfonso. Wait, is that just straight up Alfonso? Yeah, Alfonso.
Oh, I've never seen that word before, that name before. But it's Alfonso mango, and this one does have calories, people.
How many?
20.
Oh, wow, that's actually quite a lot.
20 calories, 7% juice, and it's got mango
Oh, because
puree.
It's got the actual puree of mangoes.
Yeah.
This is like Giga
So they're
Spindrift.
taking a specific special type of mango and blending it up and putting it in here.
Giga Chad Spindrift right here. Ooh. Oh, you got me good on that.
That was a hard crack.
Yeah. Oh my God, it smells like mango juice.
It smells good.
It is so orange.
Look at that. Weak on the carbonation. Very weak on the carbonation. Good on the flavor, though.
It's almost a little soury.
Yeah. Here's the thing, I like it, but it needs like way more carbonation.
You know what's really funny is I want them to turn this into a soda almost. I feel like a little sweetened. A little sugar in this bad boy, like a mango soda.
A little sugar, a little
this mango
more
flavor.
Carbonation. I think it'd be good.
Would be a crazy good soda.
It's still my favorite one here. right now.
Yeah, this is still number one.
That's delicious. Is it worth $2 a can? Probably not.
No.
You've really got to up the carbonation there. And I think that's really on them. I think it's an economies of scale situation. They're a very small, like, new brand.
Right.
And they're trying to do, like, a premium product. So, like, I get it. Unlike Nixie, where it's like, you guys are pretty big. You've been in the game for a while, and your product kind of is not as good as the cost, right?
No.
These guys, it's like, I get it.
It says, it actually says at the top, I don't think we saw this or read it, but it says contains 7% juice.
I said it, yeah. 7%
you did?
juice,
Okay.
Yeah. No, I'm like a hawk on that.
I don't listen
always
to
pay
you when you
attention
talk.
that. That's fine. That's fine.
This is Polar Premium Seltzer, naturally calorie-free, blackberry mango flavored sparkling water. Or seltzer, I guess, technically. I don't
Why am
know.
I drinking water right now?
You just took a sip of water,
Took
you
a sip of
psycho.
water. I'm a little thirsty.
All right, well, that's it, man. This is Polar Seltzer.
I was going to say, there's a little haze to this. It's the leftovers from the...
Oh, yeah, you're right, yeah.
This is good.
It's not bad.
I like this.
I want to put it like... You want to put it there?
You want to put it here?
No.
Yeah, I wouldn't put it at the top. So if things seem weird, it's because the camera died.
Yeah.
Luckily, we caught it pretty fast because I had to run to the bathroom and pee like every 10 minutes. I noticed that it was off. But here we have Strawberry Mango Good and Gather brand. We've already drank this.
Sorry, now I'm fucking tired.
It has been 30 minutes. It's 1:30 in the morning. It's good. It's floral. It's got back end notes of strawberry, front end mango.
I like this.
I like it too. Put it there. Not as good as the Sanzo.
No. All right. You want to do this one?
Yeah, I mean, this is my favorite.
What is this one?
This is my favorite, Spindrift.
This is the tea one.
Spindrift Mango Black Tea. I believe this is the one that we have in first place on the tier list right now.
We better like it.
Hopefully.
Blah, 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 blah.
I mean, at this point, it still smells fine. Like, these are getting pretty old.
What do you mean?
Well, they're like real fruit in there, and I've had them for like a year now, so.
The back of your car, I hope not.
No. Underneath my bed. Still delectable.
It really is good. If you like black tea and you like mango, you're gonna
Good.
love this.
It's got a better carbonation on it than the Sanzo too.
It does.
So that's something else that I'm just a big fan.
It's very good.
It's
guys.
super. It's sweet. It's tasty. It's got a small amount of caffeine, I imagine. I don't think they'll even advertise it though. Oh,
They
they
have
do.
to.
Less than the same amount of caffeine as 2 ounces of coffee. It's got 11 calories, 6% juice. Less juice than the Sanzo. What about that one?
This was the same juice as Sanzo, 7%, but this is mango orange here, 7% juice. It's got 12 calories in it. This is Spindrift mango orange.
God, that's so good. It's crazy how good that is.
Oops, sorry, that might be too much for you. I don't know.
It's fine. I'm thirsty again.
How?
I don't know, man. Oh, this is delicious too.
This is really good too.
Oh my god. I forgot what this tastes like. I think it's somehow more carbonated now. You must be sitting open for a while.
I think I like this more.
I think so too. Crazy that bubbly's at the bottom. That's
I know.
a rarity.
Yeah, it really is. Guess what?
I mean, I guess these are all kind of heavy hitters though.
got
besides
another
the Pearl.
bubbly here.
Oh, we got another bubbly. This is Bellini Bliss, which is peach, pineapple, and mango flavor. So we're now the 3 combo flavors. I don't know if
Right.
you've noticed that we did just mango, 2 flavors, now we're in 3. This one has suns on it. It's got a green top that says, oh, hi. And then on the side we have sun, sand, can in hand. It's a frickin' country song right there. Am I wrong?
Probably.
Luke Combs. Luke Combs is singing that.
Just trying to get this out.
Oh. It's interesting.
I like this one.
You like it.
I like this a lot, actually.
I was going to say I don't love it.
Really?
It's interesting, but I don't love it. I'd probably put it, I
my.
almost lean here.
I'm gonna lie to you, dude. Like, I firmly place this here.
Really?
I love this.
Okay, well, we got to
Makes
go
it complicated for us.
in the middle here.
I really like this, guys.
It's good. It's a very complicated flavor. It does have that Bellini vibe.
Okay,
that
so
like kind of champagne.
So what we're
fruit
about
juice.
to have is my favorite sparkling water, I think.
Oh, the tropical fruit.
I had this.
Have you bought it again
No.
since the video? Yeah, it's a good one.
No. Well, yeah, but Sam bought some, and I had some, and I kept it. But I think it's like a summer flavor, right? It's only out during the summer or something like
believe
that.
so.
I need to go to the store and buy just an absolute crap load of it because I was like, this is fantastic.
Hopefully I included
As far
one.
as Waterloo goes, at least.
I probably did put one in the orange video that we're doing tomorrow.
It's just so good as like a. Well, you'll see. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it is a real good one.
It's like I'm drinking fruit punch, but it ain't fruit punch. You know what I mean? Like it's
That's
very
what we're going for. Well, no, because there's no guava.
no, but it has that similar
That mango, blood orange, pineapple situation.
It's very good. Like when this isn't really cold.
No.
But when this is cold, it almost tastes sweeter weirdly when it's cold. I don't
Yeah.
know why. And it's really good.
It's a delightful one. Now,
It's a good,
where
refreshing one.
Are you putting it in first? Is that where you
I mean,
want it?
I kind of
wouldn't.
want to put it first, but I know you're not going to want to put it
Yeah,
first.
I wouldn't put it first.
So we could put it wherever within reason.
I mean, I would have put it either here or here.
Then I
Probably
want to put it here.
Yeah, I'm fine with that. I could even put it above Sanzo.
Let me do this again.
I think.
Oh, it's more Sanzo. It's above Sanzo for me.
Yeah, I'd put it above Sanzo.
Yeah.
Sanzo's quite good though. I'm very impressed.
It is.
I'm impressed by them, and I'm very excited to try the other flavors later on.
Yeah.
This
This is a
steep
banger,
one.
dude. I like
I'm a level with you. Here and up is a hard
okay,
buy.
it's good enough.
Actually, I wouldn't buy this one or this one.
Yeah, that's fair. So like here and up is good.
I would say
to go.
here and up
Here to
is a
here
full
good to go.
hard buy for me. It's not even in the case of me being like, oh,
You don't mean
I would
hard buy
drink-
as in you don't want to buy it. You mean like yeah, absolutely.
Oh, I
yes,
would
you'll
absolutely buy it. Like normally when I'm like, oh, maybe here and up, like if you're in the mood, or if you like watermelon, like in that last one, like, oh, if you like
no.
watermelon here and
This
up.
is just like firmly.
No,
good.
this is like firmly like I 100%.
I'm
If
telling
I'm
you
going to the
guys.
store to buy soda water, it's one of these.
Waterloo goes on sale a lot.
Waterloo is coming in crazy with that
Waterloo
flavor.
does very like this is very good.
I don't know if
love
it's
this
permanent,
flavor.
by the way,
It's not. I don't think it is.
think it's a
That's
summer.
The problem.
I think it's a summer
I think
edition.
Sam was saying it was a summer flavor
because it came out
but
at the beginning of summer.
Yeah,
so it might just be a
but
summer
it's just-
flavor.
It's if you
Waterloo,
get the chance,
don't get rid of it.
It's so good.
Hopefully, it's still out whenever you see this video.
Yeah, it's really good.
You've seen it in other ones though, of us hyping it up in other flavor videos. And the pineapple one, I think we hyped it up a lot. So, but anyways, here's your definitive list. Mango black tea still holding it strong up the top. Waterloo pretty high up there. Sanzo, surprising. I'm surprised. I can't wait to try it. I feel like the lychee's probably gonna be really good. Also, I don't even know what calamansi tastes
if we
like.
did this like in a tier thing, I would put these both in S, and I'd probably give this high.
I would
A.
honestly put all of these in S.
Really?
Maybe even the peach. But that's
Wow.
probably A.
Nah.
That one's A. So probably this and up would go to S. I would say S, A, B, C.
Yeah, that's fine with me.
That's probably where I put all those. But we'll see whenever it actually shakes out.
Yeah. Hey, bye guys and girls.
Guys, do you want to see? Yeah, guys and girls, do you want to see the? Let me just pick
Carnage.
That's the carnage from today over here, and then we have those ones to add to the pile.